I found a material that works well for the Nissan Leaf Aero mod wheel covers. It's called PETG. So it's very tough, slightly flexible. It's used for these other applications as well. I have one free print I can use with the local library a month. My dad helped me, so I have 2 a month that I can get. So it takes 5 months to complete 2 wheels. Another 5 months, probably around May, I'll have all my wheels complete. I just have the front 2 at the moment. And the colors they have available are clear, white, green, transparent, orange, and black glitter. I've been doing the clear, so it has the less chance of absorbing heat and deforming. I've had these on, and like I said, since August. There's been no deformation from the hot or the cold, so it's held up really, really well. I'll show you what it looks like in the car in a moment. And I'm really happy with how this is holding up this time. So here's how the PETG looks on the vehicle, Nissan Leaf. So just finished this one up maybe a few weeks ago, so this one's like probably the newest because it's the brightest. So this has been through summer and cold weather, winter, and they're all looking good. They're not deforming at all, still very flush. So this is more the newer wheel. This one was the wheel I started with first, driver's side. So the oldest one, I believe, I started with this one with the valve stem cover. So this still has easy access. The only thing is you have to make sure you never let go of this, because if it drops in here, it's kind of annoying to get out. So other than that, this is all very flush. Hasn't deformed at all. So these are going really, really good. And the last surviving one from the POA is this one. It deformed kind of in the opposite way, so like these hooks still have enough grab. This has been on here for probably, I don't know, a couple years or something. So once I start to fill these back in over the next 5 months, I will get rid of this one, but it's hanging on there, so I'll let it be there. Let me know your thoughts on this. If you're going to print one out in PETG, let me know how it turns out. But I really like how this material has held up. So yeah,